folks. What's new this week? It is, I don't know, it's September something. It's almost October. This week there's nothing new. Absolutely nothing. I'm waiting for a tap to come through the mail. I'm waiting to order some more bike parts. And as soon as I get tapped done, I'll do some work on this bike. This way I can just roll it out of here. It's late at night. It's not really new. Just been busy with kids and life. So trying to get in here and do stuff is kind of, especially during the week. I used to come here at night during the pandemic, and my kids were in school. It was all messed up, and it was easy. Came here evening, the kids are all home, everything was fine. But when you get back to real life, shit happens, and well, so that's how it is right now. So next week, I'll be recording the video of me Basically, it's going to be a video of me tapping a hole, testing it out, screwing it in, and attaching a vacuum hose to the bottom of the bike, and then running some oil through the bike just to make sure there's no metal chips. Which is funny because I know the aluminum, you can't put a magnetic plug in there because the part I'm tapping is aluminum, so it's a softer metal. Gets in the engine, it comes up, whatever. Oh well, bike runs good though. But I'm also going to try replacing this on the bike. There's this piece, which is, I got to somehow get this off here. I think the bolt screw stripped. So what I'm probably going to do on the bike is probably apply some heat to all the bolts, apply some penetrant, let it cool off, apply some heat again, penetration fluid. Do it a couple of times for about 3 or 4 days before I attempt to take any bolts off this thing. It's bad enough I have to drill, tap out, screw, whatever, to get the bottom, engine guard, screw that back on. So I got those two put back on. But I'm seriously thinking of just heating up every single bolt on this bike. And when I get the front rack in, that might also happen in the next couple of days. The front rack comes in, it's freshly painted. I'm probably going to take the whole front end off, and since I have this that's still sitting here for probably a month or 2 months, 3 months, it's getting nice out. I'm going to give one more or less coat of paint. I don't know if I don't even think I have clear coat for it, but I'll try to clear coat it. And it comes out. So far, it's not that terrible. The other one came out. It's for a homemade job. It's pretty good. I'll do one more spritz of paint. Try to get a clear coat lacquer or some whatever. Take it off. Put the triple tree on, and I have the top plate that goes on top of it. I'm probably gonna clean that up and give it a wicked fast black paint job. And with that said, I will put the whole front end back on and watch me completely screw it up, because there's a lot more going on the front of these bikes than you care to. It's mostly the electrical I'm worried about, because I got to take all the electrical out, the little box, put the new box in, put some new screws in, and it's not even the neck of the bike is a pain in the ass. So that'll get done. On top of that, I want to put the new the whole front end's gonna come off. It just sucks. So with that said, I want to put the little what the hell are they called? The fork covers, little rubber fork. I want to put the new fork covers on. I would like to, with the fork covers, the cable, the whole front end's gonna come off. I would like to. I don't know if it'll be possible. I'd like to put new tires on this thing. I want to paint the rims, but I want new tires. These tires, even though they hold air, they suck. There's like cracks everywhere. I'll probably save that till next summer. It's one of them has a fresh leak. So, and then this week, it depends if I go camping. So camping season's over, I'll be in here on the weekends, or at least more. The problem is I need more than 1 hour. I come here at night, I have an hour or two, and I can only run off 7 hours sleep for so many days in a row. Then you're just like 7 hours minus 1 or 2, so 6 or 7 or 8. So what I'm gonna do is try to get a couple hours. I have the rack here. I have one bolt hole I gotta weld and retap. That once I get that done, that whole rear rack's getting sent out, and I'll change the rack. Once this bike is reasonably looks better, I'm gonna stop and I'll switch out some parts on the other one. And now that I know on the other one to make sure I heat up all the bolts. Problem is some of them you can't heat the bolts up because it's attached to plastic. So, and I would like to order another. I would probably order another set of fenders for the other one. Just keep it like this for now. I'd like to order the green ones, but I gotta order the whole kit, and I'm like, I don't want to, like, because then I gotta paint a tank and stuff. So I'm like, I'll keep it red for now. Maybe I'll change one of these other ones to green. So that's my plan. What I got a black spot on here. So other than that, that's pretty much it for this week. I'll have some new videos. I accidentally put the Thule Tuesday video on the wrong day. I forgot about it. I forgot to upload or read whatever. So I'll have more. I might skip a few, whatever. But I'll try to keep at least 3 videos a week. Bare minimum, a Tuesday and a what's new. So, but I'm still hacking at it. So thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like.